Hey guys, and welcome back to the Wishing Shed. It's just a quick video today showing how to make these cute pinecone felted hedgehogs. So much fun, super easy to make, so let's get started. Okay, so let's start by making our hedgehog's head, and we're going to take a pipe cleaner and you just want to wrap the end of that with a strip of cream carded wool. We're going to wrap that sort of tapering to a point towards the end for the nose. And then just needle felt that all over. And lift and needle felt round the back of the head. So this is the pine cone I'm using for the hedgehog's body. So just looking at that, I can see that I need to make the head bigger. It's far too small. So just wrap again with some more carded wool and needle felt. Leave the nose area thinner, so I'm just wrapping around the top part of the head and then just needle felt all over again to reshape it. Okay, let's cut away any excess pipe cleaner at the back of the head. Then you can roll and needle felt the nose so it turns up a little bit. Use your fingers to help shape it. A little nose. Needle felt the nose from a little black carded wool. You just want to roll a little ball. And if you sort of needle felt onto one side first, then you can needle felt the other end over, like so. Needle felt around the edges to make sure it's anchored on securely all the way around. And use your fingers to help reshape it. And just look from the front to make sure you're happy with the position. Now you want to cut the ears from some beige coloured wool felt fabric, or you could needle felt the ears from some carded wool if you'd rather do that. And then you want to position onto the back of the head, sort of to the side, and needle felt through the base using a finer gauge needle. Just needle felt through straight to the head. And once you're happy with the position, just needle felt a little more carded wool over the base of the joints and into the head for a more secure hold. Okay, so now let's just attach the eyes. So I'm going to glue in some of these little stem back eyes, but you could sew in beads or just needle felt little black dots for the eyes, so it's up to you. If you want to glue in the stem back eyes, just use an awl tool or the thickest part of your needle to make an eye socket, and then just glue those in. Okay, now let's make the feet for our little hedgehog, and to do that, first of all, you just want to roll up some wool kind of flat into like a flat oval shape, like that, and we're going to needle felt that all around. So just keep in mind you want a sort of flat oval. So this section is going to make our hedgehog's legs, so just check that it's large enough to hold the pine cone. So to make the legs, we want to needle felt inwards at the sides and then inwards at the ends to effectively kind of make an X shape. So let's just do that. So inwards at the sides and then inwards at the front. Use your fingers now to help shape the legs, so pull apart at the front and the back. So really try and make that sort of flat X shape. Before you attach the legs, you might find that you need to just carefully push some of the pine needles at the bottom. Just push some of them forwards a little bit, just to manipulate them so it's kind of flatter. Not enough so they break, but just enough just to make it sort of flatter at the bottom. It doesn't matter, you don't have to do this. I just find it makes the legs kind of attach better, because you want the glue to kind of go on the underside like so. So now let's attach the legs to the base of our pine cone. So you want to make sure that they're not too far back or too far forwards, or your pine cone will tip over. Press firmly so it goes right into the wall. Okay, now you want to make space here for the head to go, so just use a pair of pliers to carefully break and remove some of the spikes here. And it kind of helps if you twist and pull. Once you're happy with the position like that, you just want to glue into place. There you go, so there's our little hedgehog all finished, and I decided to make her some smaller baby hedgehogs using some smaller pine cones. So I think they look so cute and they're so fun and super easy to make, and I hope you have lots of fun making them as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you back here soon.